Okay, energy we used, we are going to mention the value. Carbon emission value, we are going to mention everything we saw in first assessment. Okay, first day carbon. Okay, 35 data points. Second day we saw target, 55 data points. Okay, right now we are going to see other data points, which is the 75 data points. Okay, from that we are going to see 32 only today. Okay, it's very simple and very easy. Oh, don't panic at all. Shall we go?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
our major concept today is energy consumption management. Okay, energy consumption management. What is energy consumption management? So, whatever we consume energy, na, we buy a computer, or we buy a TV, or we buy a fridge, which says this the unit of current consumption will be less. The unit of current consumption will be less. The advertisement also will come like that. Am I correct?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
So what we prefer, mostly we will go for the electronics which
Lower
have a
consumption.
Which consume low
lower
power.
consumption. Yes, which consume low power. We'll definitely opt that, right? So in company, what are all the measures they are taking to reduce the energy consumption? How they will manage energy consumption to so that it will be reduced. It is that it does not harm, like that they are going to see. Okay, simple. All those 32 data points, you have to see whether they have this or not. Have this or not. For example, first is LED. They are going to change the bulb from a normal bulb to LED. Is that power consumption less or not?
Less. Yes, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For example, a company is having a normal vehicle and it is switching over to electrical vehicle. So in that case, is this energy consumption or not? I mean, reduction of energy consumption or not?
Not.
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes.
reduce.
Yes, because electricity cost 6 rupees per unit, and per unit per unit no. Per 2 unit it goes to 70 kilometer electric vehicle. Yes, anyone is having electric vehicle?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just search. Okay, if you charge for 2 units, it goes to 70 kilometers. What is the rate of 2 units in our homes? Any idea?
6 to 5, 7 rupees,
six
something.
to seven rupees. So
Kilowatt.
totally, yeah, totally 2 units means you'll be like mostly 25 rupees. You'll go 70 kilometers. But if you put petrol, what will happen? For 70 kilometers, how much
It
petrol?
costs
Ninety rupees.
9 liters,
92
something.
like that.
Yeah,
2 liter,
yeah.
ma'am.
See, now it is cost consumption and energy consumption. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So we are all going to see these things only, not more than that. But this energy consumption management, na, they have different types. Like I'll explain in Excel itself again, no problem. Has anyone started recording with some apps or something? Then it will be better. Are we doing that? You couldn't find anything recording like that. Okay, if you find then you can record. Please do record it. Okay. Energy consumption management. Under that, we have four different things. That first is building optimization. Okay, what do you mean by optimization? Any idea?
Usage.
Usage. Okay, what kind of usage? Guys, everybody is with your phone and computer, right? Use Google, no problem. What is optimization? அது மூணுத்துல ஒண்ணு இல்ல ஆப்டிமைசேஷனல்னா நீங்க வந்து ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி காஸ்ட் பத்தி பேசுறீங்க கரெக்டா? அதுதான் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி காஸ்ட். ஒண்ணு இல்லைன்னா ஒண்ணு அப்படின்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி. அது ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி காஸ்ட். இது ஆப்டிமைசேஷன்.
Using efficiently.
Using efficiently.
Making the
Next.
best use of, ma'am.
Yes, making the best use.
Energy like that.
Yes. Yes. Making best use. Fully used. Okay. What to say? எவ்வளவுக்கு எவ்வளவு அதுல இருந்து எடுக்க முடியுமோ அவ்வளவுக்கு எவ்வளவு எடுத்துடணும். அதுதான் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன்.
Effective.
Effective usage, yes. Okay, what are all the possibilities to get used from particular product we are going to use to the utmost level? Okay, if the cycle is going to be used now, you are going to use it for the utmost level. Okay, if you are drinking milk now, if you are cleaning the cup and drinking now, it is utmost level. Okay, not even a single bit is left in that without used. So utmost using it in utmost way is optimization. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So we have 9 points in building optimization. What are all the optimization we are going to see next? Okay. Next is operation and process enhancement. What is enhancement? Again, Google, please. Operational and process enhancement. Enhancement means
Increasing.
okay.
Developing,
Okay.
Improving
Improvement of
Making
quality.
Yes.
it better and making
Yes.
it better and bigger.
Yes, better and bigger, quality improvement, increase, everything is correct. So now you understand what it is, right? What is operation and process enhancement? That is whatever we do, we produce or we do services or we produce product or whatever we do, we are going to increase the quality. It is going to be bigger with the lesser consumption of all the energies and some things. Okay. Again, I'll repeat. What we are going to do now, we are going to produce a product or we are going to make a service. We have only two kind of companies, right? One provides service, one provides product. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So whatever we do, we are going to do it in a best way, super quality way, higher quality way, okay, improved manner, like that. So this is what we are going to discuss in operation and process enhancement. Okay. So whatever we increase now, the cost also will increase. That cost should not increase. Only the production and the process should increase. The quality should increase, but not the cost. That is not the energy consumption or whatever it is depending on. That should not increase. So by that way, we have 9 points. The company can use such products so that they can enhance the process. Okay. Is that boring? Starting itself.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next is fleet and transport upgrade. Fleet and transport. So you know transport upgrade. Okay. Fleet. What is mean by fleet?
least by. It is mentioned, no, ma'am. That's
Yes.
the. Yeah.
That's why I'm showing that. Okay.
Related to naval ships, kind of.
Okay, fleet means they say the motor vehicle which is owned or leased by business, government agency, and other organization rather than individual or family. Whatever we have now vehicles, it is not an fleet vehicle. Whatever the company is owning the vehicle, then it is a fleet vehicle, right? If a company is owning a vehicle to pick up and drop or something, na, if you would have seen many pick up and drops are there in the company, mostly ITs from somewhere else. Okay, mostly IT. So those vehicles are called fleet vehicles. Okay. So upgrade of fleet vehicle and transportation, it is the point we are going to see. In that, how much is there? 7. Okay. And finally, okay, audit and certification, data center management. Okay. Or data center management, audit and certification. Okay. Today that's it, guys. We are going to see only these things. Okay. Building optimization, operational process enhancement, fleet transport upgrade, audit and certification, data center management. Okay. Audit and certification. What is audit and certification? You know, anyone heard about audits? Everybody from BCA mostly, right? Yes. BSc and something, right? Okay.
BCom.
Audit and certification. That is whatever happened, we are going to
Overall,
check.
yeah.
Yes, check. Everything is checking like that. All process been audited. If certification is given, that is so better, right? Good and clean. So we'll give a certificate, right? For example, I'm saying that is not going to be happening here. We have different kind of certificate for different kind of things. Okay. So if it is good na, if we are following something like road rules and all we are following na, they'll give they will not give in India, but sometimes na they'll give certificate. If you don't follow, they'll give again certificate. Notes na, fine
Yes.
paper. That is also a certificate. If you break the road rules, they'll give you a certificate. A certificate. You have to pay for it. Like that. For example, I'm saying don't take it serious. Okay. Data center management and everything you know about data privacy, right? Data privacy.
Yeah.
What the company is right now doing. Do not giving you all the documents and asking you to do the assessment. Okay.
Yes.
So we are managing the data. So whatever happens in data center management, we are going to discuss on the same. So this is all the basic activities where we are going to see we can have the energy consumption management. Right now, the basic concept is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your replies. So these and all for your information. For according to the report and the assessment, what we have to do now, I'll say very simple. See, first data point is building optimization, upgrading the lighting system. Just check with these words. That is building optimization, lighting, LED, upgrade, okay, energy management, light. If you use these words now, you can definitely get. Can you see here in the sample upgrade to LED
LED
lights?
lights.
Yes. If the company is
Yeah.
upgrading the lights, then it will be yes. And one more point, you don't have to collect anything. All these 32 data point is yes or no.
Okay.
Just yes or no. No confusion, no nothing. Very simple. If they are going to upgrade the light, then yes. Otherwise,
No.
no. That's it. If you see the second data point, replacement program from old office equipment to energy efficient equipments. I'll give you the keywords. If you want, you can take the screenshot also so that it will be easier. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the before keyword, ma'am?
Yes.
The before one, ma'am.
This is the first one.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So second one is office equipment. That is, we are going to replace, exchange old fridge to new fridge, old TV to new TV. Like that now, office equipments to energy efficient equipments. That is, how to say? Yeah, from 3-star fridge to 5-star fridge. Energy star, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
energy efficient equipment upgradation, right? From old to new. Yeah, I just told you the example. Office will not have fridge. Okay, so equipments. The keywords will be building equipments, energy efficient, replace, optimize. Same whatever we have in this now, we are going to use replace, optimize, energy efficient. There is not There's no new words or in this. We can search from the data point itself. Okay. See, we completed 2 data points. Any doubts? Whether the company is making this thing, we are going to put yes, otherwise no. Very easy or very difficult?
It's easy, ma'am.
Easy.
Easy.
Easy, ma'am.
Easy, ma'am.
Okay. So we have an example here. See, our specifications for all new stores includes energy efficient equipments and natural refrigerant as standards. So can we mark it as yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fine. Next, optimization of building HVAC system. HVAC system means optimizing or upgrading heating, ventilation, cooling, air condition, and etc. Okay, just search for all these 4 words, or you can search like HVAC also. Okay, heating, ventilation, cooling, air condition, etc. If any changes has happened in this now, then we'll mark it as yes. So can we see the sample? Okay, I'll show you the keywords like
Yeah.
optimization, energy consumption management, heating. All this you can use. Okay. See, implementing operation centrals for heating, ventilation, and fan coils and upgrading the heat pumps. So, is there any upgradation on HVAC?
Heating and
Yes,
ventilation.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ventilation, heating.
Heating and ventilation.
yes. So, whatever it is in the data point now, we are going to search the same. If it is there, if they are upgrading that, or if they are changing to this from any other thing like from normal lights to LED, from normal equipments to energy efficient equipments like that, if they are changing, okay, if they have going to purchase the energy efficient equipments like that, if it is there, we are going to mark it as yes. Everything is clearly given in the data point itself. Okay, so energy star, where you have seen this energy star symbol?
Ma'am.
Fridge,
Fridge.
AC.
TV.
Yes, TV I don't remember, but fridge, AC, TV also. Okay, no problem. So you have to see whether the company is
Lasers.
having company is purchasing energy star certified appliances. So for that, energy star appliances certified building optimization, you can search with these keywords. Okay, do we have example here? This example is not confirmed from the client, so we still have a problem because the store is certified as energy certification. Okay, so still we have a doubt in this. Okay, we'll see, but just check if the any appliances, you know, right? House appliances, can anyone
Home
tell me
appliances.
what are the, yeah, home
Yeah,
appliances?
electrical appliances.
Yes. So in office, what are all going to be the appliances? Same table, chair, computer, fridge. Fridge
Printer.
is also there in sometimes. Okay. Vending machines, all those comes under appliances, right? Oven, like all oven also will be available in some offices, right? Yes. So all these comes under appliances. And if those appliances are Energy Star, then we can definitely mark it as yes. What company is this? Okay. Is that fine? Do I have to explain it again?
No, ma'am. That's fine.
Okay.
Any example, ma'am, for
Explain,
that?
ma'am.
No, till now, not this example we have asked the client to confirm because here the store itself is certified by Energy Star. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
So we still have doubt. We don't have sample for this. Okay. And next is energy consumption management, building optimization, use of insulation material in buildings. What is insulation material?
Wires, insulated
Safety
wires.
measures kind of.
Okay, okay, insulated wires, yes. Okay, you know insulated wires. In home also they use insulated for instead of fall.
PVC.
Yeah, not PVC. Like they use insulations. The thermal also, fall ceiling also is an insulation.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Okay, so
Ceiling.
whatever na which is going to prevent the loss of heat or instructions of sound. Okay, that is going to be insulation. Getting my point here?
Yes.
Insulation means
Different
something's
sound means,
protecting
ma'am.
us from heat and the sound. It is insulation. If they use that kind of material, then definitely we'll be adding. So these are all the insulation materials: fiberglass, mineral wood, okay, cellulose, natural fibers, polystyrene, and so many things. Don't worry, everything is taken from Google only. You can also search insulation materials. You can definitely have all these things. Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ti-
Yes, ma'am.
Timber wood is also considered as insulation. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
See, in this they are using plywood, sawn timber, are also used in furnitures and parquet packing and the vehicle floor, as well as being used as insulation in carriers. Okay, so timber is there. Okay, they
Yes,
are
ma'am.
been definitely saying they are using it as insulation, and definitely we are going to make it as yes. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, fine.
Is that super easy for you guys? All these data points.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes, ma'am.
definitely
Yes,
want.
ma'am.
I definitely want everybody to take 100 percentage in this. Will you be taking it?
Sure, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. We'll try it.
Yes, ma'am.
For sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. See, anything if you have any doubts now, ask Google. Ask Google. That person will definitely guide you. Correct?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
We'll move to the next. Like use of smart energy monitoring software to control temperature, lighting, and cooling. In our home, what is there? Temperature, lighting, and cooling control. We have remote, right? Remote switch.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So what we say now, if you use phone app now, then it is smart energy monitoring software. Instead of remote for AC, switch for lighting, and for cooling also remote. If you use mobile phone na, then it is smart energy monitoring software. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. That is what they say. Smart energy monitoring solution is easy to use once installed, as it comes within the institution dashboard that can be accessed using mobile phones. So for that, smart energy software optimization, usage, modern mobile device, smart grids, all we can use. Smart grids na, you have different kinds of smart grids also. You can search in Google. Otherwise, we have another data point where all these smart grids are being described. You can use that also. Okay, fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
See here they have said a smart grid applications. The term smart grid, and they have given a statement of what is smart grid. Okay, so definitely it will be yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
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 Next is window replacement for natural lighting. You already know what is that, right?
Transparent.
Compare office in India, compare office in US. Everything will be in glass, natural light.
Yes, ma'am.
So replacing windows for natural lighting, then it will be yes. If
Yes.
they were replacing windows, like windows means instead of grills and woods, we are going to use glasses. That is the part for natural
Glass
lighting,
window.
right? Yeah. So in that case, we'll definitely mark it as yes. For this Windows replacement, lighting, natural light, like that, you can use the keywords. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See, when you read this samples, now you can see we when redesigning the office, the design and the building team were presented with the unique opportunity to incorporate natural light. So they have a plan to have a natural light because they are going to redesign. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it will be yes. Okay. Here what I said now, smart grids, smart meters, use of smart meters. Smart grid is also one of the thing here. Okay. Smart meters, digital energy meters. Okay. What is smart meter? You have to space hit here. Okay. Smart meter is an electronic device that records information such as consumption of electric energy. We have meters outside our house, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That is normal meter, digital meter, and after that we have smart meter. This is what they are saying, smart meter. தெரியலையே தெரியலையே கூகுள் கிட்டே போ நான் சொன்னல கூகுள் கூகுள் ஸ்மார்ட் மீட்டர் ஸ்மார்ட் மீட்டர் இதான் ஸ்மார்ட் மீட்டர் டச் பா டச் வச்சா ஸ்மார்ட் பா ஓகே
Okay, ma'am.
ஓகே Okay, smart meter is an electronic device that record information such as consumption of electric energy, voltage level, current and power factor. Okay. So is there any doubt what is smart meter?
No, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. If the company is using smart meter, then we'll definitely go for yes. But we doesn't know smart meter is for electricity or water or something else. Okay, the client has yet to confirm because all these data points are newly arrived. Okay, we are still yet to put in production. So here they use smart meters to improve monitoring water consumption. Okay, this also can be taken because it is not compulsory that the data point says it should have measure the electricity, it can measure water also, no problem. As of now, no problem, you can take wherever the smart meter is used. Okay.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Ramya.
If these points were, if they say we are going to do, means we have to put yes, whether, ma'am. If they say we are going to do this.
If they are using, we can put yes, definitely. If they are going to use in future, na, right now don't put yes, you put no.
Okay, ma'am.
One sec. Okay, thanks for the time, guys. Okay, smart meters, you right now know you can use it wherever the company is using smart meters. It doesn't want to be electrical measurement, it can be any measurement as of now. Okay, fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Next, the last point on building optimization. All these are building optimization. Can you relate everything to building? Whatever we discussed till now.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
we
Yes,
discussed,
ma'am.
lighting we
Yes, ma'am.
discussed, equipments we
Use of
discussed,
installation.
yeah, heating and cooling we
Heating,
discussed, yeah, energy star appliances we discussed,
Insulation,
use of
insulation,
yes,
Use of
insulation,
smart
smart
energy.
energy,
smart energy,
window replacement
Smart
for that.
meters.
Window
smart
replacement.
meter, smart
yeah,
meter.
Smart meters and installation of occupants.
super, 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 super.
Smart meters.
What Vinish, your voice is breaking. I couldn't hear your voice properly. Vinish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you were saying something, your voice was breaking.
No, I just said smart meters one point.
Okay, fine. Okay, again, I'm super happy. Okay. Intelligent control system. What is intelligent control system? And I know everybody is having Instagram, and everywhere some people will be climbing the steps. At that time, lights will be on, and when somebody is like walking downstairs, lights will be on. That is motion sensor, correct? Lighting.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Is that energy saving or not?
Yes, ma'am. It's energy saving, ma'am.
Yes, it's energy saving.
Even if we open the fridge, it will be lights will be on, ma'am. Like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Yes. So I know, I think like motion reduction sensor for lighting and other appliances also. Okay. So whatever it is, we are going to, if the company is using intelligent control system or
டாடி சித்திக்கு
motion
வந்தாந்து
reduction
கொஞ்சம் இங்க வர
system.
சொல்லுங்க.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem. Intelligent control system and motion reduction sensor. If these two are there in the company, if the company is using that appliances or that mechanism or that technology, then definitely we'll be putting it as yes. Okay. So 3 words you remember: motion reduction sensor, intelligent control system. Okay. These two. And sensor, detection, lighting, appliances, intelligent control system. These can be your keywords to search. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today it's only oral, no problem, right?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next, the building optimization is over. Okay. We'll go for operational and process enhancement. So operation and process enhancement totally depends on whatever production we do, right? Till now, whatever we saw, it's full of building equipments, appliances, whatever we have in the building, we have discussed. Next, we'll go to production. What we are producing, what we are using, what we are using as raw material and other parts. Only with raw material we can't do anything. Okay, with machinery you can't do anything. We need power, diesel, everything. We manpower, all we needed. So all these materials needed for production we are going to discuss. Fine. Use of cogeneration. What is cogeneration? Combined heat and power. Okay. What does that means? Heat engine or power station to generate electricity. No. For example, I will say now we have lots and lots of waste somewhere. Okay. If you are in Chennai, you would have seen like mountains of waste, right? Garbages. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, mostly in Chennai, I would have said, because Chennai I know, other states I don't know, but we have in Chennai mountains of garbage. Okay. In other countries, what they do now, they collect all the garbages, split plastics, and which are all recyclable. Now they are going to separate it. The remaining garbages they are going to burn it, and that is used as heat. Okay, and that heat is converted into electricity. So if these both are happening, then it is combined heat and power. This is an example or one process which both heat and powers are getting generated. Getting my point?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. தமிழ்லயும் சொல்றேன். கோஜெனரேஷன் அப்படின்னா என்னன்னா, நமக்கு தெரியும் எல்லா இடத்துலயும் குப்பையை எரிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க இங்க சும்மாவே. பட் வெளிநாட்டுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா குப்பையை எடுத்துட்டு போய் எரிச்சிட்டு அதுல இருந்து வர ஹீட்டை வந்து அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. ஏன்னா எப்பவுமே கோல்ட் ஏரியாஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதனால அதுல இருந்து வர ஹீட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. அவங்க ஹீட்டாவே யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. மீதி இருக்க ஹீட்டை வந்து அவங்க எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிடுறாங்க. ஸோ ஒரு ப்ராசஸ்ல இருந்து ஹீட்டு எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி ரெண்டும் வந்துச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு பேரு கோஜெனரேஷன். ஓகே. ஆ இருந்தது. ஆமா, அது மோட்டர் இல்ல. டர்பைன் தெரியல எனக்கு. இல்ல நீ இதுல வந்து நீங்க பெட்ரோல் போட்டு தான் வந்து எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி ஜெனரேட் பண்றீங்க, கரெக்டா? அப்படி கிடையாதாங்க, அது ஹீட்ல இருந்து ஜெனரேட் பண்றாங்க. எப்படி பண்றாங்கன்ட்டு எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் தான் கேட்கணும். யாராவது. ஓகே 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 சூப்பர். தேங்க்யூ. இன்று ஒரு செய்தி மாதிரி நல்லா இருக்கு. இது இந்த டர்பைன் வந்து ஜெனரேட்டருக்குள்ள இருக்குமா? ஆ. ம். ம். ஆமா, ஹீட் ரிலீஸ் பண்றதுக்கு அது. ஓகே 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 ஃபைன். பட் எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்துட்டு போக முடியாது. அவங்க கம்பைன்ட் ஹீட் அண்ட் பவரும் கோ ஜெனரேஷன் இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் இருந்தாதான் நம்ம இதுல எடுத்துட்டு போக முடியும். ஓகே. இல்ல இல்ல, எனக்கும் அது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு நல்லதுதான், பிரச்சனை இல்ல. எல்லாரும் தெரிஞ்சுட்டு இருந்திருப்பாங்க, பிரச்சனை இல்ல.
Bro,
எஸ்.
ma'am. மேம் ஆக்சுவலி டர்பைன் சொன்னாங்கல்ல மேம், அது வந்து இந்த இது வாட்டர்ல எல்லாம் சின்னதா ஒரு ரங்கராட்டம் மாதிரி இருக்குமே, அதுதான் அப்படி சொல்றாரா மேம்?
ஞான பிரகாஷ் அவங்க ஏதோ கேக்குறாங்க டர்பைன் பத்தி. ஓகே
ஓகே மேம்.
ஓகே ஓகே okay, but we will not take solar energy here. Okay, it's kind of different. Okay, wind energy or tide energy, we will not take those energies here. Okay, we are going to take only if the cogeneration or CPH is given. CPH technology, combined heat and power, cogeneration, if these words are there, we can definitely take. Okay, because we have separate data point for solar, wind, tide, all. Okay. Now, is that possible? You can relate cogeneration, because we had a very big discussion. Tamil it was, it is in English, it is okay na? This data point okay na? What is cogeneration, heat and power?
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so shall we move to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Again, waste to gas heat recovery system at operations. So obviously when the production is there, we are going to have waste, and that waste is converted to heat or gas. For example, heat to power, waste heat to power, like that. Okay, if we see waste heat to power, no, obviously waste to heat, and then it is going to be power, that is different. But waste to gas or waste to heat, a recovery system will definitely help. For this you can search waste, gasification, heat recovery system. Okay, waste also you can add, no problem. So what is gasification means? Waste to energy technology, that is gasification. So that's why I added this word. Okay, any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Very late no, and only one no. Others, is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And if it is
Actually,
cogeneration, they will mention as cogeneration, and this one as waste to gas.
Yes, waste to gas or heat recovery.
Okay. Okay.
Waste to heat, waste to gas, waste to power, anything can be taken in here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Sorry for my background noise. So, okay, now is installation of energy efficient centrifugal air compressor. So any idea? Because I could see some B's here, so they can explain what is energy efficient centrifugal air compression. Any idea, guys, in a centrifugal air compression?
No, ma'am.
It's
no, ma'am.
used in companies.
Huh? Air compressor. Huh? Okay, air compressor means like with air they are creating pressures or something, right?
See, my description is there. See,
No, that is centrifugal. That is moving or tending to move away from
no,
the
no, no,
center.
above that. Air compression for enhancement of process or operation.
This is not an sample. We have to understand the concept, right? So, as per the data, na, you are going to send search moving away, trending, centrifugal, air compression like that. Okay, we have normal words. I just want to understand what is centrifugal air compression. It's a kind of a process or something. It will be named like this only in the report. We are going to search it, then we'll get it. No problem at all in that. But what is this? We are discussing everything now what it is, then only it will be like close to you. அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா எல்லாருக்கும் புரியும்ல, அதுக்காக தான். ம். ஓகே. ஓகே ஓகே ஜி, நான் சொல்றேன் கரெக்டா? இது ஆக்சுவலா இன்ஜின்ல இருக்க பம்ப் மாதிரி, பட் ஆயில் இல்லாம ஏர் வச்சு பண்றது, கரெக்டா? அதேதான் அதேதான் நானும் யோசிச்சேன். ஓகே ஓகே. இல்ல ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா புரிய வைக்கிறது எப்படின்னு யோசிச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன், அதுக்காக தான் யோசிச்சேன். ஸோ தமிழ்ல எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்ல போனா பைக் இன்ஜின்ல உள்ள போயிட்டு போயிட்டு வரும்ல, இன்ஜின்ல டிவில நிறைய பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. ஸோ அதுல ஆயில் போகும், ஆயிலுக்கு பதிலா ஏர் போச்சுன்னா அதுதான் ஏர் கம்ப்ரஷர். ஓகே.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இல்ல இல்ல அந்த மெக்கானிசம் தானே சொல்றீங்க, கிட்டத்தட்ட அதே மாதிரி மெக்கானிசம். ஆமா, கரெக்டான எக்ஸாம்பிளா தெரியலன்னு தான் இப்போ உங்ககிட்ட கேட்டேன்.
மேம்,
இல்ல இல்ல இல்ல, நான் ஆக்சுவலா இப்படிதான் போட்டிருக்கான். நான் இன்ஜினியரிங் இல்லையே, எனக்கு தெரியல, அதனால தான் அவங்ககிட்ட. அதேதான். ஆமா, அதுதான் நானும் சொன்னேன். ஏர் கம்ப்ரஸர் இருக்கா இல்லையான்றதுதான் கேள்வி டேட்டா பாயிண்ட்ல. அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு நாங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறோம். ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. சோ திஸ்
மேம்,
இஸ் ஏர் கம்ப்ரஷன் கைஸ். எஸ் எஸ் ஐஷா.
மேம் கூகுள்ல சர்ச் பண்ணப்போ வந்து ஏர் கம்ப்ரெஷன், ஐ மீன் சென்ட்ரிஃபியூகல் ஏர் கம்ப்ரெஷன்னா ஒரு இம்பெல்லர் பிளேட்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதுல வந்து ஏர் இது பண்ணும்போது அந்த இம்பெல்லர் பிளேட்ஸ்ல வந்து இதாகி அப்புறமா எனர்ஜி ஜெனரேட் ஆகும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு மேம்.
எனர்ஜி ஜெனரேஷனுக்காக.
எஸ் மேம். ஏர் வந்து அந்த இம்பெல்லர் பிளேட்ஸ்ல பாஸ் பண்ணப்போ அது ஃபுல்லா சென்ட்ரிஃபியூஜ் பண்ணி சென்டர்ல இருந்து நம்மளுக்கு பவர் தரும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி.
ஓ ஓகே ஓகே.
அப்படி இருக்கு மேம். எஸ் மேம்.
Okay, anything search for air compression. Thanks for all the explanation. I saw some air compression and okay, air compression means like with Aisha, can you say this in English, please?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the centrifugal air compression is nothing but impeller blades will be there. When we pass air through it, it will generate power at the center point. So the power will be generated. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, is that understandable, guys? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you, Aisha, for that. Thank you, Nana Prakash, for that. Okay, I'll change the description for this also. No problem at all. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, afterwards, now I'll from Google I'll search and I'll make this description change. No problem at all for me. Okay. So is that fine? You're going to search all these keywords. Then you're going to search whether the company is having energy efficient centrifugal air compression or not. Okay. Fine. Next is energy. Is that over? Okay. Energy storage. If the company is having an energy storage, that is batteries or something. Batteries will be there mostly, and I don't know what kind of another storage is there for energy. But if energy storage is there, then we'll definitely mark it as yes. Okay. Inverter, right? Inverter also it's a process only, but batteries is going to save the energy. Correct?
Yes.
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 So if the company is having an energy storage, definitely you mark it as yes. No problem at all for that. Okay, here comes turbines. Jnana Prakash, please. Okay, so they said renovation or replacement program for turbines. So I have written what is turbine here. A rotatory mechanical device that
Ma'am,
extract energy. Yes.
turbine,
Ma'am,
no?
in dams, the turbine, that only, right? The same turbine.
மேம் டர்பைன்னா இப்போ ஒரு டேமோ இல்லை வந்துட்டு ஏதோ ஒரு கடல் சீசோரில் வந்துட்டு பவர் பிளான்ட் டர்பைன்னா வந்துட்டு அது ஃபேன் மாதிரி இருக்கும் மேம். நம்ம அந்த தண்ணி பட்டுச்சுன்னா வந்துட்டு அது சுத்தும். அது சுத்துறது வந்து மெக்கானிக்கல் எனர்ஜி எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் எனர்ஜியா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி கொடுக்கும். அவ்வளவுதான் மேம்.
Okay. Super.
அது தண்ணி படுறதுனால அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா சுத்துறது மெக்கானிக்கல் எனர்ஜி. அந்த மெக்கானிக்கல் எனர்ஜி த்ரூ த மோட்டார் ஆர் சம்திங் அதை வந்துட்டு எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் எனர்ஜியா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி கொடுக்கும்.
Okay. எல்லாமே கிட்டத்தட்ட லைக் விண்ட் மில் மாதிரி தான், பட் அது தண்ணியில இது வாட்டர்ல அப்படி ஐ மீன் காத்துல அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, I'll say this in English also. Like what turbine is, because of the water force or something else, a mechanical energy is going to be converted into electrical energy. My explanation is correct, right? Deen Dayal and no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, and Jnana Prakash. Okay. Fine. So if we are going to renovate or replace, if the company have programmed to renovate or replace the turbines, then we'll mark it as yes. Okay. So turbines, renovation, replacement, energy consumption, more related to engineering today, I think, right? Then it's good. Okay. பேக்கப் இல்ல ப்ரோக்ராம் இருக்கான்னு தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. மாத்துறீங்களா இல்லையான்னு கூட கேட்கல. மாத்துறதுக்கு நீ ப்ரோக்ராம் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? ப்ரோக்ராம் மீன்ஸ் லைக் ஒரு ஒரு பிளான் பேக்கப் பிளான் கூட பேக்கப் பிளான் தான். பிளான் தான் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா இல்லையான்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So it's just a program or a plan to renovate or replace the turbines. Okay, can we see turbine photo in Google? Will this be available?
Yes, ma'am.
Available. Then we'll see what is turbine, because not everybody is from engineering, na? Oh, this is turbine. Huh?
Ma'am,
இதுவா?
ma'am, இன்னொன்னு வந்து I mean search as turbines with attached with generator, ma'am.
Turbines with generator.
Yes, ma'am. Attached with generator like that.
No, I have to search the turbine with attached with the like that.
Turbines attached with generator like that, ma'am.
டர்பைன் பிளேட்ஸ் வருது மேம் எல்லாமே.
ஓ ஓகே. ஓகே, இப்ப தண்ணி போச்சுன்னா இது சுத்த ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்காக இந்த மாதிரி வச்சிருக்காங்களா? Okay, okay. So hope everybody can understand what is turbine, right?
Yes,
Clear?
எஸ் மேம்.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Fine. Next is renovation and replacement program for boilers. Want to see boilers? Can anyone explain what is boilers? All engineers are here. I'll show the photo alone. Water heater.
வாட்டர் ஹீட்டர் ரூம் ஹீட்டரா கூட இருக்கலாம்ல மேம்?
மேபி ஸ்டீம் கிரியேட் பண்றதுக்கு, அப்புறமா ஹீட் கிரியேட் பண்றதுக்கு, இதுக்கு தானே பாய்லர்ஸ். ஸ்டீம் பவர் தான். ஆமா ஆமா. Fine. So this is boiler. If the company is having any program to renovate or replace boilers, then we'll mark it as yes. Okay. See, they are going to renovate and modernize services for old boilers and process furnace. I remove that furnace here. Till now, you want boiler. We'll see if they are going to renovate boiler. So we can mark it as yes. Okay. Any confusion in it? The keywords are boiler, replacement, renovation, energy consumption. Can we move to next or?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is very easy. Renovation and replacement program in power plants. So if the power plants means, okay, all the equipments related to power generation, if they are going to replace or renovate, am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, if you see this sample, what it is given, okay. Exclusion of companies operating and or developing coal mines, company with greater than 10% installed coal power generation capacity, the company building and extending or renovating the coal mines, power plants or infrastructure. So can we mark it as yes?
Yes, ma'am. Power plants.
Yes,
Renovating power
renovating
plant.
coal mine, power plants or infrastructure. Yes, then we'll mark it as yes. Okay, no problem, right? We'll move to next. Again, engineering. Use of regenerative burners in furnace. So I just copy pasted what is furnace, device used for heating. Correct? And they say burners. +2 furnace. சயின்ஸ் எனக்கு ஆகாது, சயின்ஸ் படிக்கல 12th. ஸோ நான் அக்கௌண்ட் சைட், அதனால எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் அவ்வளோ தெரியல. அதனால தான் நான் உங்களை எல்லாரையும் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண சொல்றேன். சரி, ரீஜெனரேஷன்னா, ரீஜெனரேட்டிவ் பர்னர்ஸ்னா Induction Maria. Illa like regenerative uses the pair of burners which cycles to alternatively heat the combustion air to recover and store the heat from the furnace and exhaust gas. Any idea, guys? Regeneration, if you explain, it will be better, na? Regenerative burners. Google. Aisha, Jnana Prakash, Tina Dayalan, Ramya,
Yes, ma'am. Googling.
regeneration, Googling. Okay. So regenerative burners, if you know what is regenerative burner, we can definitely market. We will have the keywords as regeneration, enhancement, regenerative burners. Okay. Do you want to add furnace? Yes, we can add furnace also. Okay. Furnace, right? I think today it is so interactive. I like it. Do all like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See, so according to this project, we don't have to interfere, learn everything. But if you learn, it's a good thing to learn now. You to learn what is turbine, what is regenerative burners, then it will be very good. Half an hour will be closing the session itself. Okay, no problem as of now. Regenerative burners, it is in the reports they'll be giving directly regenerative burners itself. So here if you see, okay, conversion to regenerative burners in an reheating furnace. Okay, they are converting to regenerative burners. Obviously, they are using the regenerative burners. Then we'll mark it as yes,
Yes.
right? It's use of regenerative burners only. If they use, we can definitely mark it as yes. Mm. Heat regeneration பண்றதுக்காக. Okay. Mm. Okay. Uh, mm. Conversion of to regenerative burners in the ಇದನ್ನ. Okay. 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 Now find what is regenerative. Like Jnana Prakash, can you please say this in English also? You can try. Yes, I can understand. No problem. Yeah, I am also struggling. That's why because I don't understand the concept clearly. Now that's why I asked you to do. Okay, no problem. Regenerative burners means reheating to exhaust the gases. Am I correct? So okay. So okay, whatever it is, regenerative burners means you can search for regenerative burners itself. No problem at all. Okay. So the last data point in process enhancement, okay, use of electric arc furnace, EAF, okay. Okay, this is also named as arc discharge. EAF, electric arc furnace. If all these words are available, if the company is using that, then we'll mark it as yes. Okay, electric arc or arc discharge is an electrical breakdown of a gas that produces prolonged electrical discharge. So it's kind of understandable, right? Right? I don't know, it is kind of capacitor. No problem. Okay, if it is there, then you can mark it as yes. If the company is using EAF, electric arc furnace, then we'll definitely mark it as yes. you can add keyword as arc discharge, correct? Discharge.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Discharge.
So shall we move to the next? Is this okay? Understandable, all these things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only two S's, others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can proceed.
Thank you so much. Okay, we'll move to fleet and transport upgrade. So as we discussed, fleet is a vehicle which the company is owning, not the individual is owning. Company or government or organization is owning. Okay. What is hybrid vehicle? Okay, that uses two or more distinct type of power. Okay. For example, they have given submarines. Yeah, they use diesel when surfaced, batteries when submerged. This is understandable, right? Submarines. What is hybrid vehicle? What is fleet vehicle? Okay, so the point is, if the company is using electrical or hybrid vehicle, then we will be marking it as yes. Okay, search for fleet vehicle, electric vehicle, hybrid vehicle, transport vehicle. If you search like that, you can definitely get. See whether the company is using electric or hybrid vehicle. If they are using electric or hybrid vehicle, then we'll mark it as yes. Any confusion in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, if it is a Tesla company you are doing, you will be marking it as
Yes.
yes. Okay. Next is regenerative braking. Okay, intelligent train brake, idling. Okay, limiting truck idling time. Okay, all these things you can use as keyword. But regenerative braking is whenever you use the brake, you will be recharged. In all electric bikes right now in India also we have, if you use brakes, it will be recharged. I think it's kind of energy, na? It's kinetic energy. No, it's not kinetic energy. Okay. Now understanding what is regenerative braking, right? Mechanical engineer G. Regenerative braking நான் சொன்னது கரெக்டா? Regenerative braking நான் சொன்னது கரெக்டா? இது இல்ல ரீஜெனரேட்டிவ் பிரேக்கிங்னா எலக்ட்ரிக் பைக்ல இருக்க மாதிரி பிரேக் அடிக்கும் போது தானா ரீசார்ஜ் ஆகும் லைட்டா, ஆனா ரொம்பலாம் இல்ல, பட் லைட்டா ரீசார்ஜ் ஆகும் அப்படின்றது நான் சொன்னேன். ஆமா,
எஸ் மேம். பிரேக் பண்ணும்போது அந்த இது வந்து ஸ்டோர் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு தோணுது மேம். எனர்ஜி கொஞ்சம் சேவ் பண்ணும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. எஸ்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே, fine, no problem. So regenerative braking, fleet, transport, intelligent braking, train braking, idling, okay, limiting truck idling time. So this idling and all na, they will be giving for employees also, idle time, idling time. Okay, like that. Don't take that. Just check whether it is for regenerative braking or transport upgrade or something else. Okay, these are the systems used for regenerative braking. Okay, braking means not that breaking, உடைக்கிறது இல்ல. It's like break, barking or something. Okay, fine. Is that okay, or do I have to like explain again, or is that okay, or it is dull or right now?
Yeah, it's clear, ma'am.
Fine, okay. Okay, we have an example for that also. Okay, where is it? Yeah. Okay, energy recovered from the barking process to supply the vehicle's electrical system and generate additional power for the drivetrain. So can we mark this as yes?
Yes, ma'am.
எஸ் மேம். மைல்டு.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is vehicle fleet engine meets European mission standard. So don't have to like think what is European mission standard. They have provided, not right here. Okay. Okay, European Vision Standard, it will be given directly, or it will be like EU standard, STD, EU STD, that is European standard. Okay, it will be like Euro 5, 6, etc. Like that, it will be there. If the company is comparing themselves to European Vision Standard, then we'll take, we have to see whether the company it's meeting the standards or not. Otherwise, we will not mark it at all. Okay, we will mark it as no. European Union, EEA, member states, and UK. Okay, new vehicles sold in all these areas will be having European mission standard. Okay, if the company is comparing their fleet vehicle engine to European mission standard, then we have to check whether they meet the expectation or not. Otherwise, put no and we can close this. If there is no European mission standard, then we can close. We'll move to the next data point. Fine? Fine?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, see here,
Yes.
fleet emissions in the EU, and EU they have explained here EU standards. Okay, so they are comparing themselves with the EU standards, right? At that time we can mark it as yes, otherwise we can mark it as no. Okay, I think it got bored. If you want break?
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes, you can
Ma'am,
ask, no
now
problem.
you said that fleet European standards, no, ma'am. That tabular, I mean that chart.
Yeah,
In that, in
yes.
2020, it has been decreasing, no, ma'am.
No, we have to read what is the graph for. We didn't read the
Oh,
gas actually thing for. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
this
have
if
a
you
doubt.
see. Okay, yes.
Actually, if they didn't here, yes or no only there. If they didn't mention anything about this, these points, okay, what we have to put? No or
No, no,
no?
no. Yes, no. Either thing will be putting.
Okay,
Don't leave blank. Either yes should be there or no should be there.
okay.
Okay. Fine. This chart this represents actually CO2. Can you see that?
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
But the
yeah,
point
ma'am.
is they are comparing themselves to EU. Okay. Right? Engines.
Yeah,
They are
ma'am.
comparing themselves to EU engines, right? Am I correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Right
ma'am.
now we have to read fully and we have to check whether the company's engine, okay, that fleet engine, yeah, fleet engine meets the European, that is satisfy the European emission standards. Okay, we are dealing with emissions only, but we have to check whether it is meeting it or not. If it is declining in case of CO2 emission, if it is declining, then it's good. Okay, they are discussing about European emission standard. We don't know what emissions are there included in this. Am I correct? Can anyone like say
Yeah,
like
ma'am.
European vision standard contain all these emissions and like that? Okay, we don't have that. So if we are comparing that now, you have to study fully whether they are meeting the European emission standards or not. Fine. It is not with the chart.
Yeah.
Standard नाले doubt ना निके पुरीले. Okay. ஆமா. ஓகே. இல்லை எனக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஆயிடுச்சு. சரி உங்களுக்கு ஓகேனா ஓகே தான். எனக்கு ஓகேவா எல்லாருக்கும்?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ஓகே.
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே. ஓகே. எனக்கும் எஸ். ஓகே. Fine. Next, replacing old motors with premium efficiency motor. So motor, you all know what is motor, right? So So old motors, premium efficient motor. If you search all these things, or motors alone, if you search also, you can get. Just check whether they are going to replace the old motor with premium efficient motors. Okay. Fine. Fine. Yes. Okay. This is actually kind of easy. We have to check whether the company is having the charging station for employees. Electric vehicle charging station for employees or not. If there, then we'll mark it as yes, otherwise we'll mark it as no. It's easy, right? Just check whether it is for employees. We have to check whether it is for employees. Okay.
Okay,
Secondly,
ma'am.
okay, no problem. Ships meet energy efficient design index. Okay. Ship means
Ships.
ships. Ships means like real ship, cruise boat.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That also includes in transport. I agree. Okay. So if that should meet energy efficiency design index. That is a kind of standard we I think everybody is following, I think. Okay. It's an index that estimates grams of CO2 per transport work. Okay. So this index indicates the grams, that is TCO2 in grams. Okay. So per transport work. That should meet, like, have you seen any old TVS 50 with so much of gases, like mosquito gas? It should not be
Yes.
like that. The emissions should be controlled, like the pollution from the what to say, silencer. Yeah, the pollution from the silencer should be less than this amount of carbon, like that they are insisting. So that should the ship should meet the that value. If it exceeds, na, it is not valid at all. Like that. Am I correct? No, for example, I'll say we will be having old TVS 50 with so much of smoke from the silencer, then it is not fit for FC. FC, you all know, right? What is FC? Bike's fitness certificate. Correct? Huh? Yes, bike's fitness certificate FC. If the pollution is so more now, if the smoke is more now, then it will not have the FC. You have to fix everything. A vehicle should not emit more number of smokes, right?
Yeah,
Same
ma'am.
way, the ship should not emit more CO2. It should meet that energy efficient design index, which says like this much of amount of carbon dioxide should only be emitted, not more than that. The ship should meet it. Okay, fine, not fine. It is an index. It is actually given here. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
kind of confusing. Huh? Don't confuse, like EEDI you search. Okay, energy efficient design index you search. These all will come. Companies like Ashok Leyland, each year like that only they'll come. Okay, Honda, TVS, or whatever it is now. Those companies will be having these things. Or transportation companies, like so many travels are there now. Those companies will be having that. Okay, we mostly don't deal with those companies. Won't deal with those companies, but we'll sometimes have. We have to check it. Okay. Okay, not okay. I think everybody got so dull.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, last data point in fleet and transport upgrade. Okay, use of energy efficiency operational indicator, that is EEOI. This is also one standard. Okay, as monitoring tool to manage ship operation and fleet efficiency performance. So you already know what is ship operations and fleet efficiency performance, like how their performance are, how their usage are. Okay, we have to monitor that with the use of EEOI. If we use that now, then we'll be marking it as yes. Fine, not fine.
Fine.
Fine. Only if EEOI is there, you can just search whether it is monitoring the ship performance or not, then you will mark it as yes. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Audit and certificate. Certificate of Energy Management System. Okay. Energy Management System na ISO 50001. So in all ISO 50,000 range na, it will be definitely on energy management system. Agreeing with me? All the series of ISO 15,000, if it is there, we'll mark it as yes, because everything falls for energy consumption management. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
We have some other energy consumption management certificate also. I'll show you that also. Where is that? See, first is ISO 50001. Okay. Second is Energy Saving Opportunity Scheme Regulation, that is ESOS. This is also a kind of certification, equivalent certification to ISO 50001. And we also have certification to supplier energy performance, that is STEMP M. Okay. And another thing is GBT 23331. Okay. This is kind of Chinese national standard. Okay. For energy management system. Okay, I'll say you again. First is ISO 50001, and ISO 50000 series will come for energy management certification. Okay. Other equivalent certification is Energy Saving Opportunity Scheme Regulation, ESOS. Next is SEPTEM. Okay, certification of superior energy performance. The last is GBT 23331, energy management certification. Getting all those four things, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Not difficult, right? Okay. Next certification. Okay, what? Energy audit. Is there any energy audit in the company? Either by internal or by third party, no problem at all. We should have an energy audit. If the company has energy audit, then we'll definitely mark it as yes. That's it. Very simple, na?
Yeah,
Just
ma'am.
search energy audit certification, third party, external auditor, internal auditor, energy auditor. Like that, if you search, you can get. Next is certification of environmental management system, ISO 14,000. Sorry, 1,40,001. It's 14,001 only. Check, it's 14,001 or 1,40,001. 14,001, right?
14,001.
14,001.
Yes, 14,001. The data point is still a bit strong. Okay, just search for environmental management, environment certificates. Okay, in Google, if you search that, you will get only this. All 14,000 series, that is 14,001, 14,056, all those falls for environmental certification. Okay, getting my point? If we have ISO 14,001 or 14,056 or something with regards to 14,000, then we'll definitely mark it as yes. Fine.
Fine.
Clear, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'll say you one thing. If you have ISO, we saw 50,000, right? In 50,000, whatever numbers you have in any report, you can blindly go for its energy consumption management. If ISO 14,000 na, till 15,000, what are all the numbers we have na, it will fall under environmental management. Is that new to you, or you already know all these things? 56 இல்ல 15,000 வரைக்குமே இந்த 14,000 சீரிஸ் ஃபுல்லாவே என்னெல்லாம் நம்பர் இருக்கோ அது எல்லாமே என்விரான்மெண்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்க்கு தான் வரும். அதே மாதிரி 50,001 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எனர்ஜி கன்சம்ஷன் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு தான் வரும். 50,000லேருந்து 51,000 வரைக்கும் ஃபுல்லாவே இதுதான், அந்த சீரிஸ் ஃபுல்லாவே இதுதான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா இது எப்படின்னு ஐஎஸ்ஓ எப்படி இருக்குன்ட்டு? 14,000னா அந்த சீரியஸ் ஃபுல்லாவே என்விரான்மெண்ட், 50,000னா அந்த சீரியஸ் ஃபுல்லாவே எனர்ஜி கன்சம்ஷன்.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
டவுட் இருந்தா நீங்க போய் பார்த்துக்கலாம், பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் green building certification. So any idea of green building certification from screening?
Not harming the surroundings.
Okay.
The environment.
Okay.
Eco-friendly kind of.
Okay.
We already had a data point like this one.
Yes. Yes. So I'll show you one thing. I think they would have shown you domicile wise, right?
Yes, I got it.
No, green building certification you have in screening data point, right? Remember this?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, according to the country in our company will say domicile. Okay, which domicile, what domicile, like that we say domicile. Fine on that? We say
Yes.
country, we say domicile. Okay, country is the other name of country is domicile we use for this project. Okay, right. So lead, BREEAM, Energy Star, all this now you have to search. Okay, in case if you are searching for India, we'll see where is India. BEE, you search for BEE, and other thing you can search for Griha, you can search for IGBC, then that's it. So based on, if you want you can take this snap also, no problem. It's just a green building thing. Okay, so you can search according to the country, so that you can easily search. Now out of searching all these things you can search only 2 to 3. I'll copy this, I'll paste it there. Fine. So any doubts in marking? If the company is having a green building certification, then we'll obviously mark it as yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we jumped to data center management. Very easy. Use of cloud computing technologies. That's it. If the company is using cloud computing technologies, then we'll mark it as yes. Cloud computing, data center management technologies. What is cloud computing?
It's related
Cloud
to
storage. Cloud storage, yes. OneDrive, Google Drive, all these are cloud storage, right? So that cloud storage, if the company is using, then we'll mark it as yes. Any doubts in this? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Utilize power saving standby mode. What is standby mode? Sleep mode. So all are using computer or laptop, I know, but after some time it will go for sleep mode. It saves energy, right?
Yes.
And TV also, smart TVs, like definitely it goes to off automatically when you don't use it. Even YouTube stops playing and asking you whether you're watching it or not after some times. It's all power saving mode, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
On
ma'am.
standby. Yeah. If the company is using that kind of things, then it will be yes. Fine? Not fine?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine,
Fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. I think it's over. Yes, it's over. So this data point now belongs to this category only, but we still have doubt in that. Okay, so that's why I didn't take the answer. Fine. This to be explained by the client, so I didn't take this, but other data points are fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is fine. Any doubt you can ask. Any doubt now you can definitely ask now.
Can you share green building details in
Ma'am,
WhatsApp?
ma'am, could you please show the operational
List.
process data point?
Okay, one by one.
I was unable to cover some points, ma'am. So that's what.
This went so long. Okay, cogeneration, use of
No,
cogeneration like that.
no,
This is
no. That
operational.
is from second one.
Okay.
This also covered.
Centrifugal, air compression. We were having so much discussion on this.
Yes, ma'am.
Energy
There is some
storage.
9 points. So
Yes.
actually, I have unable to cover like five from fifth point onwards.
Here from turbines.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
So it's according to the data point. If you see, if
Fifth,
there is
sixth, and
any
seventh. Yes, ma'am.
sixth and seventh. Okay.
Yes, fifth,
Same
sixth,
data
seventh.
point. Yeah, renovation
Okay.
and replacement program for turbines, boilers. Next is renovation and replacement program for power plant, in power plant, and use of regenerative burners in
Okay, ma'am.
furnace. And finally, use of electric arc furnace. Same word only. If the company is using like electric arc furnace, then we'll go for yes. Okay. So
Okay.
don't worry. I'll just forward this document to you also in that.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
I'll forward this document and the green building data will also be available in this. Okay. All
Okay,
these
ma'am.
will are available in
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I'll share this.
documents, ma'am.
Sorry? I'll not share this document because it has more
No, no.
data. I'll share. Sorry, Aisha. Aisha, you're saying something or Jan?
Doc,
I
ma'am.
couldn't hear you properly. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. We don't have domiciles, ma'am. I mean, we don't have domiciles information and all, ma'am.
No problem. Till now, you don't want anything. After 2 weeks, you will be dumped with so much of information. Please wait for that. Have you seen tool?
No, ma'am.
First day introduction, they didn't show you tool.
The net was
No,
not
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am. But
No, ma'am.
it was
Due to
network error.
network issues, ma'am. So the
Okay.
tool
Okay.
not opened.
Okay, I'll just show you how the tool will be. Just one sec. Okay. So before that, I will share this also. No problem for me. I'll share the 32 data points to you. Okay. Any doubts and any other thing? I told I'll share you this document so you will be not having any confusions with this. So are there any other doubts to be explained? Everything is
Ma'am, I had
clear?
a one doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Jacinda.
Ma'am, if the sentences come like if the product is going to use in a future or used to install or used to produce means we have to give no, no, ma'am.
See, in some data points we have programs, right? In that cases, future plan will mark it as yes.
Yeah, okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
like the data point which says use of na, only if the company is using, we'll mark it as yes. Otherwise, we'll mark it as no. Even though
Yeah,
if they say like in future there'll be cloud computing na, we'll not mark it as yes. We'll go for no.
yeah,
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
In data points which have programs like renovation programs, replacement programs like that, if they say na, at that time future plan will be taken.
Okay.
Nice point. Nice question. Yes. Okay, so I'll be opening the tool. Just I'll show you what it is, then we'll see.
നെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ചെയ്തോ?
ഓഫ് ചെയ്തോ?
Can you see my screen? This is our
Yeah.
platform.
Yes, ma'am.
This is our platform actually. Okay, we have dashboards. We have all those information, how long you worked today, how much completed, how much yet to be started, like that. I don't have production layer. I have QA layer. Okay. Production layer will be DFA layer, and we are in myself in QA layer. Okay. So people will be assigning, and it will fall under this assigned. If you open, remember what we discussed yesterday, carbon reported, tabular form. Here scopes are reported, scope 1, scope 2, scope 2, emission type, scope 3. So all these details will be there. The report will be given in here itself. Can you see the report here, side by side?
Yeah, ma'am.
You have search option here itself. You can search here. Okay, here you don't have to copy paste or something. It is very easier. For example, I'll say the drop downs are like this. If you put search option now, you'll have keywords here. So you don't have to memorize all the keywords right now. See, can you see all the keywords here? If you click search here, it will automatically search. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Easy. If you want to write something here, this A button na, if you click that and if you select thing na, it will automatically come. It is named as annotation. Whatever you select will be coming here. If you same data point na, see I'm searching here, basis of collection consolidation. Like I selected this and it all came here. We don't have to type even. Okay. But one thing, like each tab should be saved, because if you don't save, it will not be saved. So as per we discussed yesterday, we have carbon here, energy consumption scalar data points are here. Can you see that?
Yeah, ma'am.
And the next is non-renewable energy, that is nodes, type, value, scope, year. For renewable, we have the same years, type, value, scope, nodes, like that. We have so many things here, right? We have 5 bifurcations. Exposure you saw, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Exposure also you saw. See, generation 1, installed capacity in 1, and segments business in 1, geography in 1. Like that it will be. So,
okay.
See our tool platform?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, in-depth detailed description will be given. You will be given a login. It is been created. It's on the way. Okay. This is our Strive SPI global thing. Okay. Nice, na?
Yeah, ma'am. Nice, ma'am. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not I. Okay, I'll convey this to a tech thing. Okay, fine. Any other doubts, guys? Can be discussed right now, or any other thing can be spoken. Your experience here, your understanding level. So one main point: if you have any difficulty to understand my English or my language, please do say me. I can change myself to explain it very clearly or very elegantly, like that. No problem. If you say bad also, no problem. I can change.
No, ma'am, it's good only. It is very understandable.
It's very nice, ma'am. You are explaining very perfectly.
Thank you so much. Like, yes. Mm. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But I cannot use my recording.
Class lively or
Aisha Munshira. Yeah. ரெண்டு பேர் என்ன சொன்னீங்க?
Munshira, ma'am.
I'll call you Fatima.
Okay, ma'am.
livelier
Nice.
class. Okay, thank you so much.
Yes,
But I
ma'am.
want
ரொம்ப
everything in score. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you
மேம்
so much.
அதுதான் மேம் பிரச்சனை ஆயிருது. நேத்து நான் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கோல் எல்லாம் எடுத்து போட்டுட்டேன் மேம்.
Okay, see, I just want to say any doubts ask in group, but don't ask answer in group. But you can ask data point explanation in group. I can also come and explain. I'm very sorry. Some people are calling me after 2:30 till 8 o'clock. I was in meeting for past 2 days, so I couldn't attend your calls. But I could message your WhatsApp. Whatever you want, you can message me. If you have any doubts, message in the group itself. So if somebody knows also, they can just type in. The description or explanation of that particular data point, what to be captured, what not to be captured, like that. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the feedbacks too. And final thing, I have to take the attendance and we'll just wind up. Okay, I'll send you the assessment thing. Don't wind off right now, I'll take the attendance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hiba, do you want to add something, Hiba?
No, Anusha. Done.
Okay. Sakshi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you mark the attendance in the attendance sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
You marked it? Okay, fine.
Sakshi, you are missing out the session. Like you were not there for the first half an hour. Like after that, I
Yes.
saw at 10:50. Then at 10:50, I saw you were there. So
No,
please don't
10:30
leave.
she came.
Okay, okay. So
Yes, ma'am. Because of network issue, I was unable to join.
so please switch to some better network because our tool won't work for networks that has issue.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why like for all we were asking on the very first day during our interview and before that also that which network